This is Akshata from Akshata's Recipes, and today I'm super excited because I am going to share with you a recipe that is super delicious, and it is shared by my very good friend Nandita Prabhu. Nandita is an amazing cook. She's a career woman. She's really soaring high in her career, but she balances home and family so well. I am going to talk about Nandita at the end of the video, so watch the video till the end. But Nandita, this recipe is fabulous. Thank you so much for giving me this recipe, and that's so also in detail that I could really make it. And it is easy, but the end result is full of flavor and it is a must try. So without much further delay, let's jump into the recipe right now, but watch the video till the end. delicious recipe? Don't you just want to go out and make this recipe? That's exactly what I felt when I saw the picture that Nandita had posted on our WhatsApp group. And I was like, Nandita, please, please, please give me this recipe of yours. And she so graciously sent me the entire recipe in detail. And I thanked her so much, and I asked her, can I just share this with my viewers on on YouTube? And she said, of course. And she sent me such a beautiful message. I'm going to send a clipping of exactly what she said to me. And what she said to me, and that is really the epitome of my channel. She just expressed it in the right words. So Nandita is I'm very privileged to say that she is a very good friend of mine. She is my husband Abhijit's childhood friend Prashant, and still going strong friend Prashant Prabhu's wife. They have a beautiful daughter, Ritu. And Nandita is a superwoman, and she even balances home life, family life so very well. She's really a dynamic person, traveled all over the world with her work, and she is just amazing. Her sense of humor also is fantastic. And so I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, Nandita, and you really made my day by sending me that beautiful message and send me the recipe so well that I could make it. And it is super delicious. I just tasted it, and it is amazing. Abhijit tasted it and he loved it. The kids have to still come back from college, so then they will taste it, and let's see what they have to say. But this is an amazing dish. It's restaurant class, restaurant style, and it's just finger-licking delicious. So guys, you have to try out this recipe, and once you do, please put your comments down in the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback after you try out this recipe. So having said all of that, thank you so much for watching today's recipe, and I will come back with many, many more recipes from my friends like Nandita, Pavi, Priya, and many, many more. And keep watching. You will get to see many more recipes. And if you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below the video. Subscribe to my channel, it's completely free. Hit the red subscribe button. Once you have subscribed, click the notification bell, click on all, that way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same, so you won't miss out anything happening on my channel. Thank you guys for watching my recipes and supporting Akshata's recipes. It means the world to me. Take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon. This is Akshata saying bye, and Nandita again, thank you so much.
Be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna 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 be a good day. Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop.